Yo, what's up everybody? It's Peace. Welcome to another video. Haven't done one of these in a while, so I figured I would share. So basically entry here is a bear flag off of this huge drop that we saw at like 9-10 in the morning. So it retraced up and it was trading within this channel that you can see. And then now I'm just taking profit, or I'm just getting profits off of this move downwards. Don't want to be in this trade too long, but I figured I would share. I think I'm going to actually start taking some profits now that I'm up a good 11%. It's first in, first out, so some of my first ones are not going to gain as much. So I'll just sell 5 here at the 133 mark, and I'm not going to gain too much once those go through. I do believe that those will hit. Eventually, unless my bear flag somehow got invalidated. Wow, just dancing around 130. What's going on, Spy? Yeah, we're up 10 cents, now 15 cents. From where I tried to take profits, of course. I can't have nice things. I literally can't. Well, it's either going to go up a lot or really down, so we'll have to see. How's volume looking? Increase in volume. Uh-oh. Yup, not looking good. Unbelievable. Maybe it wasn't a bear flag, or maybe it's just a really long bear flag, but I think it's going to hit the line again. You can't see it very well on the line chart, but I hate the candlesticks. But on the candlesticks, you can kind of see the pattern forming, where you have those 3 big candles downward, and then you're trading within that channel in an upward trend, which is the bear flag. So you would expect it on a volume bump after decreasing volume to actually go downwards. But these things get invalidated all the time. And I'm red again. That's unreal. It hasn't been completely invalidated. It's just a really long bear flag. I'm going to add a little bit more. Might live to regret this. It's been touching 114 a lot. I doubt this order will fill, but if it does, then we'll increase our position. As you saw, my sell order is still in for 5 at 133. Looks like the 5-minute candle just closed. And it seems like it rejected off that 565.50 area, and we're back down to the 20s. High 20s, of course, but 20s nonetheless. I don't think I'm going to get that entry anymore because we are way past 114 right now. So I'm just going to get rid of this buy order. Don't want it to bite me later in the day. Are we going to hit that 133 per contract price so I can start taking some profits? Probably not. Look at it go. Got a very solid average of 119, I believe. Let me see. Yep, 119. Exactly 119. All right, finally, we're getting somewhere. Should be hitting that 133 soon, so I can sell off those first 5 contracts. And then I'll have 15 more contracts to run a little bit further. Although I don't know if I'm going to actually get any profit because I can't remember what I entered at. What price did I enter this at? All right, I entered this position at 10.52, so just 10 minutes ago. And the cost average was 125. So actually, those 5 contracts that just sold were actually profit. Wow, $50. So that's 8% right there. Still in it, obviously. And the rest of my position is up 13%. So 134. Let's see what SPY is doing right now. See, this is why I don't like the candles on Robinhood, and I'm not going to get any other... Well, see, look at that. That's amazing. Now we're finally at the point where we're creating another low here. I wonder if it can break the daily. Oh, it's at... Wow, it broke. Cool beans. 88, 87. All right, so I should be up a lot right now, and I am. So 28%, so that's an extra $500 out of nowhere. $600. Well, I'm not silly anymore, so I'm gonna actually start to take some more profits. 53 is fine. I don't care. Just get me out of this. All right, awesome. So how much profit was that? That was another $175, which was about 30% of the initial investment. So now it's up at 149. Is that where I sold it? I think I sold at 150. Yeah, 153. Okay, so 154. My puts have gained more than 75%. I doubt that because it's only at 32%. I don't know what you're talking about. Unless there was a blip of wild increase that I completely missed. But now we're at 170. Very cool, very cool. All right, I'm going to start taking some more profits. So let's sell. Let's just get rid of 2 at this 170-ish mark. So we got out at 172, which is nice. Now it's at 176. We see that those 2 contracts gained us $110, 47%. So that was a great, this was a great bear flag. Look at that. Wow. 187. So now we're up 55% on our investment. I'm going to go ahead and sell another 2. I love taking profits on the way up because in the past I did not. All right, it just keeps on going. It just keeps on going. So that was another 2 contracts for $138 profit, which is 59%. Whoa, I saw 193. Wow, that's crazy. All right, I think I'm just going to get out. Unless it absolutely tanks. You know what? There's no point in risking it. I'm just going to get out here, and I'll just be satisfied with what I got. And I see it's dropping So hopefully I can get it on a bounce. And I'm out completely. And I got out finally at the 179 mark. The contract's filled at 179. And that was a 51% or 52% profit for $367 on those contracts. So I sold at 179 and it's already at 166. So I'm just a legend today. Well, I'll only be a legend if it doesn't like hit these values up here, like $3 again. But yeah, I did pretty good. I'm glad I was able to execute that live with you guys. You didn't see me enter, but I started the video very shortly after I entered the position, which was about 14 minutes ago. So this video is probably about 12 minutes long right now. But I wish there was an easier way to add up all my profits and see the total percent that I got. But I read them off as it was going. So 367 on this, 367 plus 138. Let me pull up a calculator. 367 plus 138 is 505. Plus 110 is 615. Plus 175 is 790. That's the 175, right? Yep. And then this is a buy. And then this is the other sell, which was for $50 profit. So plus 50. How many total shares did I have? Well, it doesn't even matter. Okay, so my total profit was $840. Remember that, guys. And then my total input was, I bought for $590. I bought for $585. I bought for $590. I bought for $240. And I bought for $375. Notice the first two buys were very small. I only wanted to enter this with a few contracts because I knew that once I entered, it was, things were going to happen. And I was able to get a better price later with bigger positions. But the bear flag ended up going the way that I predicted, which was great. So my total input was 2,380. And if you divide 840 by 2,380, you get a total of 35.294%. So that's a solid 35% gain today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Still under where I sold my final contracts at 179. So I'm going to take that as a victory. Oh God, of course it just shoots up to 182. Well, whatever. I'm satisfied with my almost $1,000 gains. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos like this and my other content, which is super cringe, but we out here. Please watch my videos. I need to get this channel monetized like my other YouTube channel. That's one of my goals this year, to get this channel monetized. But my watch time hours are still hovering at 3,000 hours in the past year, and I needed to get to 4,000 hours in order to get monetized. Once this channel is monetized, it'll get pushed a lot more, and I'll be able to start generating some revenue off of the ads, which would be really nice. But I obviously can't do it without you guys. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye. Oh no. Oh no, I missed out on so many gains. Why did I wait? Oh, 192. Oh, God. All right, bye.